Alright guys and girls, welcome to the Pelican Resort. It's pretty, hi, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
We're good, we're good.
You guys need to go down near the Coliseum pool, that round pool.
Oh really?
Fantastic. Bro.
Is this where all the wealthy people hang out?
This is where the celebrities come.
Celebrities come here.
That's why there's so many kids.
Oh, so according to this gentleman right here, it's a 6-star hotel. Obviously it costs $2,000 to $6,000 plus per night. Look around, they got the R8s, they got the Mercedes, they got the German cars over there, the G-Wagon. Like, I want to ask these wealthy, rich individuals, what are your goals for 2023? I'm curious. Are you curious? We're all curious. What do you do for work?
I'm a lobbyist in the state of Sacramento, California.
Cool. How long you been doing it for?
About 25 years.
How much can one make in that position per year?
Oh, a couple million a year.
Couple million per year. Wow. So do you have to get a degree to do that, or?
No, I'm a lawyer by training, but you do not have to be an attorney to do the job. It's really just understanding a subject matter and being able to have good personal skills to talk to people.
And what are your goals for 2023?
My goals for 2023 are just to continue to serve my clients well, be present in political. I'm involved in political stuff, so continue to be involved and present in political changes that are going about. Having just watched the election in Georgia last night, that's very historic and excited to see that here.
What are some of your family goals or health goals or relationship goals?
Are really just to continue to support my children. They're young adults who are just starting their own business. One's got her own business, the other works back east. Continue to support them in their growth and development, their business. It's nice to have them both off the payroll.
Yeah.
And taking care of themselves.
Yeah. Anything with your personal health?
Just to continue to stay healthy.
If you were to give a piece of advice to an individual that wants to be successful in their life, what would you tell them?
To just stay focused and don't give up. I think if anything we all learned during the pandemic is how to be flexible and ready to change.
Okay, what's up, man? How you doing?
Yo, what's good? Good
SnewJ.
Twice.
Okay, what do you do for work?
So I run a marketing agency. I work with celebrity and artists.
Are you able to say the marketing agency's name?
Yeah, it's actually prime time.
How much can one make at that position of running a marketing agency?
I know people making $100K a month right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Would you say wink, wink, you're in that range possibly?
Soon, by 2023. What I've basically learned from the marketing agency is that it's very lucrative. There's always clients available. There's always someone who's trying to expand their brand.
Yeah.
So for example, there's influencers, there's businesses that want to grow, run ads, create content.
Yeah.
So there's multiple ways you can branch out. So if you have a marketing agency, you can basically do the talent side, manage the clients, manage artists, and then also have a production side.
What are your goals for 2023?
So my goal right now is actually to sign a few artists. I want to start expanding in that region as well. And then the second thing is I want to start a security company. Okay. Because right now, since I'm working with the artists, we have a bunch of artists coming out to LA doing festivals.
I see where you're going, yeah.
So by me providing them security, private security guards, chauffeurs, armed vehicles, those two go hand in hand with each other.
100%. I don't know, something about this resort, even though it's quiet and empty, it's just beautiful. Look at the view, the golf course. I saw my guy over here on the laptop. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex, I'm SnewJ, nice to meet you, bro. So Alex told me that he actually used to work here. You said you were setting stuff up.
I used to work banquets here, for 5 years.
Okay, and now you own your own trucking company?
Yeah, I'm in the trucking company.
That's dope.
Trucking industry, yeah. So
okay,
I do general freight, drayage, port to customer.
Dang, so how long you been doing that for?
A year and a half, almost 2 years, yeah.
How much can you make per year?
With one truck, you can make around 150. You work hard.
Okay.
2 or 3, 300, 400 grand.
And you got drivers?
Yeah.
Okay, handling everything.
I also drive myself to make more money.
Yeah.
So I don't have that much labor costs. We have 2 drivers.
What are your goals for 2023? Keep growing in the business?
2 more trucks, yeah.
Okay, so buy 2 more trucks.
Yeah, get into brokerage.
Okay.
Yeah, so just broker loads and stuff.
So any relationship goals, any health goals?
Just stay in the gym, keep working on becoming a better person each day.
Okay.
Growing, take care of the family and stuff.
The Pelican Resort, hold on, come take a walk with me, bro. Pelican Resort, there's a lot of wealthy people in there, but there wasn't a lot of people there. You feel me? So we came to the plaza right next to it. This is a rich area, guys. I'm talking, these homes right here are 7, 8 mil. I'm sure we could find some people. You know how this plaza is around expensive homes and wealthy individuals? The cars. You got a Porsche, you got a Maserati, you got a Ferrari, you got the Bentley. How you doing, man? My name's SnewJ.
Shaquille.
Shaquille. Yeah, nice. I like the name. Okay, there you go, Shaq. What do you do for work?
I'm an attorney.
Okay. How long you been doing that for?
2005, a long time.
Okay. How much can one make per year doing that?
It's interesting. As attorneys, you can go 60,000 a year all the way to 7 figures. It's up to you.
Can I do like a little guessing game? And you can tell me if I'm higher or lower?
Sure.
Okay. 450?
Higher.
600?
Higher.
A million? Right around? Higher? Okay.
Yeah.
1.4?
Around there.
Okay, for sure. What are your goals for 2023? You know, it could be mindset, relationships, career. What are some of your goals?
2023 is about balance for me. I want to just maintain a balance.
Balance.
It's important. I think, you know, I've had a lot of friends go through health scares this past year, so it's more of a balancing game for me. Career-wise, just keep crushing it, man. I think that's important. I think a lot of people lose motivation. As a lawyer, it's easy to get completely like bored with what you do.
Yeah.
So I think lawyers, you just got to keep, you know, motivating yourself, motivating the staff. That's important. And keep crushing it.
Yeah.
Crushing your goals.
No, for sure. How about relationships, family, friends?
Dude, I'm married with 3 girls. I love it. Same with friends, you know.
Any advice to the individual that wants to be an attorney?
I started off in 2005 as a bankruptcy lawyer.
Interesting.
Making 75 to 100,000 my first year, and it just built it up from there. You know, it takes time, it takes effort.
Yeah.
And I think that no matter where you start, ultimately you realize that you got to run your own show. You got to run your own business. If you don't run your own business, it's going to be tough.
Yeah.
You know, I got a lot of friends that work at corporate law. They're there 7 days a week. You know, they're making their money, but it's just different. When you run your own practice, run your own thing, you have more time, you have more, I think, motivation to do better. I just had a client meeting right now at Zillow with another client, and it's great. You just call the shots. You basically run the show, you do your thing, and you know, create the lifestyle you want. I think that's important.
No, we love that.
People lose sense of that. I think, especially in this country, it's so tough.
Yeah.
It's so tough. Everything in this country is tough. It's like 1 step forward, 2 steps back. You know, if you make more money, they take more money.
Yeah.
So you got to be smart. You got to invest your money, all that stuff.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you just got to have that Mamba mentality. You know, Kobe.
Oh, yeah.
2012, I was here at that Starbucks, and Kobe came in, and it was just
he came here?
all the time.
Oh, what?
Particular pavilions. And, you know, every time I would see him, I would just, like, try to pick the guy's brain, you know? He's the main man. But it's one of those things where, I don't know, it's just about that Mamba mentality. You just got to crush it in life here all the time.
Damn.
That's his favorite Starbucks right there.
Wow. So I'm going to have to get a drink from there now.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. We just got the word. That gentleman we were just speaking to said that Kobe Bean Bryant used to come here to the pavilions, to this Starbucks right here, because he lives around here. You know, I mean, his family, his wife, his kids. What do you do for a living?
I just retired as a physician.
How much can a physician make per year?
$150,000, $250,000.
And how long were you a physician for?
50 years.
50 years. Well, thank you for your service and helping everyone. You're a real life superhero.
Time someone said thank you for your service is when I got out of the military.
Oh, well, thank you for your service. And you're a real life superhero.
Okay.
What are your goals for 2023?
My goals I would like to see more progress in the country. Okay. My goals are to volunteer in a health facility and to help people that don't have health insurance. So I'm looking to do that in one of the local places in Orange County. I would like to see work with the party that's going to give a higher minimum wage, that's going to give health care, give women more support for raising children, and to decrease the inequality of America. That's my goals.
What do you do for work?
Marketing.
Marketing. Are you able to say the marketing company's name? Or you
a
want to
couple
keep
of
it
different ones. So restaurants. Some different like interior design things.
So you run it?
I do the marketing for the company.
Okay, cool, cool. How much can one make in your position per year?
I'd say like between 100 to 200,000, sorry.
Okay, 100 to 200,000. Okay. What are your goals for 2023?
Get my real estate course.
You want to start real estate?
Yeah.
So from marketing to real estate?
Yeah.
You're changing it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Eventually just start networking, and then I'd like to do corporate real estate, budget that money off, and then start my own actual business.
Any health goals or any relationship goals or mindset goals as well?
Just more so, just be more in tune with myself, time management, all of that jazz.
Be present.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What do you do for work?
I am a meditation teacher and a life coach.
Oh, okay. How long have you been doing that for?
Since 2011.
11 years?
Yes.
Wow, congratulations on that. How much can one make per year doing that?
I would say 6 figures and more, depending on how you structure your business.
What are your goals for 2023?
Oh my goodness. Grow my social media.
Okay, important.
So far I've been working offline, mostly with clients, extending my businesses online.
Okay, so yeah, because if you grow your social media platform, you get more clients for your business. Yeah. How do you plan on growing your social media? Do you already have something?
That's a loaded question. Yeah, well, I've been taking classes and courses with people that have done it before, and also the different possibilities there. But mostly through courses that I've taken with other people.
You should try TikTok. I don't know if you're trying it already.
Yeah, telling me that, because I feel like I'm so bad with this kind of thing.
It's just you just got to learn it. Yeah, it could be, but the thing is, TikTok is a platform where you don't need to pay for promotion. It kind of just pushes out. Yeah. So if you just start doing it, you're gonna get the attention that it needs. Yeah. But just something food for thought. Yeah. Any health goals? Any relationship goals? Like family, friends? Anything? Any goals?
Yeah, trying to be more social as well.
Okay.
Health goals, of course, always in the back of my mind. Just make sure that I'm doing a lot of self-care, eating, walking, exercising a little bit more. As a mother and business woman, that has been my focus.
Yeah.
And I haven't prioritized myself the way I should.
Yeah.
So 2023 is growing on social media, growing online, and becoming healthier.
Yeah, we love it. What do you do for work?
I got two gigs.
Okay.
So primary is I'm a estimator in concrete.
Okay.
And my second job is water photography.
Really?
Yeah, water and surf photography.
Okay. How much can one make at that position per year for the first one?
Couple hundred
K. Yeah. Okay. And then currently in the photography? 100. Okay. Cool.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah. No, most definitely. Now, what are your goals for 2023? It could be career, it could be mindset, relationships. What are your goals?
This year, I beat cancer this year.
Congratulations, man. No, that's amazing.
Matter of fact, yesterday I had a double hernia surgery.
Oh, man.
I'm feeling pretty good about ending 2022.
Yeah,
2023, I'm just going to pump up the photography.
Okay, okay. That's a new passion you developed?
I've been doing it for I don't know, 3-4 years, something like that.
Okay.
I've always surfed my whole life and stuff. And,
yeah.
I got into taking pictures with the GoPro, and from there, I went down the rabbit hole, and
Right, most definitely, yeah. Do you have any like relationship, friends, family goals, or mindset goals?
Oh, not really. Just more. I do a lot of meditation.
Okay.
I want to just keep going with that. I do a lot of yoga, meditation, and no real family goals, stuff like that.
Okay.
I've already done the whole family thing.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah. Pulling up in the Porsche. How you doing?
How are you?
What do you do for work?
I'm an investment guy.
Okay.
Usually fixed income securities, some equities, derivatives.
Okay. How long you been doing that for?
About 40 years.
I'll guess your income. You just tell me higher or lower.
Okay.
Okay. 1.2.
It would be higher than
higher. Okay.
Well, we'll keep it at that. How about that?
Okay, we'll keep it at that. What are some of your goals for 2023?
So I'm actually starting a new firm in 2023.
Okay.
My own investment management firm.
Okay.
Would you like to invest in it?
Yeah, sure. Tell me more about it. Tell the people more about it.
So I think a lot of people don't get good financial services or advice, especially like the very wealthy people.
Okay.
They're usually put into like really inferior investment products. So the idea is something that's more transparent and with better risk-return profiles.
Yeah.
Is how I would describe it.
Okay, cool. What's the company's name that you're starting?
GSRM.
Okay, remember that, guys.
Global Strategic Risk Management. Yeah.
How about some other goals? Maybe it's some like mindset, family goals, relationship goals.
Yeah,
I don't know.
All that stuff. Yes, I'm new to California, so I don't really have a lot of personal relationships out here except for my family.
Yeah.
So trying to get more integrated in, say, especially the church community.
Yeah.
That would be one thing.
Okay.
I always try to have a fitness goal in there for the new year.
Okay. Yeah, most definitely. If I wanted to get to like your position or anybody else that's inspired right now, what kind of advice would you give that person, like to get to your level, to make the kind of money that you make? What do I have to do?
What do you think you're really good at? Let me ask you that question.
Content creation, storytelling.
How did you get really good at that?
Practice.
All right.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing where it's athletics. So what you do is, I think it's a lot of time, research, reading. I think working in industry helps too.
Okay.
Even if it's as an intern or mentoring with somebody.
Yeah.
If there's something you really like, because if you love it, it's easier. Like I'm assuming you love what you do.
Yeah.
Right. You know, focus on that. So let's say even within the area of whatever it may be sports, it may be entertainment, maybe real estate.
Yeah.
You know, those. I tell people, you know, for wealth concentration, for wealth creation, you want concentration. That's what I tell people. For wealth preservation, you want diversification.
I see.
So don't try to get to know a lot of things. If you know one thing really well, right?
Just practice on that. Focus on that.
Focus on, and just think of the very wealthy people you could think off the top of your head.
Elon Musk, Steve Jobs.
Yeah, so Steve Jobs put his whole life into Apple, right?
Yeah.
I mean, he got fired from the companies. You know, it's a great story, great American success story, right?
Yeah.
But you know, I mean, he's got some crazy stories where he would like be up like 48 straight hours. Same thing with Elon Musk, right? With Tesla.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, all these guys I think have a very similar, and even in people in other industries, the movie industry, the music industry. What's your favorite sport?
Basketball.
Who's your favorite basketball player?
Kobe Bryant, R.I.P.
Yeah. Lived right up the street, you know.
Yeah. Like we heard that he used to come to this pavilions and Starbucks right here. Yeah. We just somebody just told us that right now.
Yeah, I knew he was. So all my children are here. My granddaughter Giovanna. So we recently became grandparents, and
congratulations.
My wife wanted to be with her granddaughter.
Yeah, no, I feel that. No, that's amazing.
Speaking of
go ahead.
being successful, one of Kobe Bryant's best deals, unfortunately, was post-mortem, because what happened is, obviously he's a great basketball player. Some people think one of the best ever, if not the best ever, right?
Yeah.
But he's also a smart businessman. So I think his deal was he was asked to endorse
body armor. Yeah,
Body armor. Okay, so I have one of the words right.
Yeah.
So after he died, they went public, and I think the payout to his estate was like, I want to say $300 million.
Yeah, it was right around that range. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, so the deal was, you know, he's a great athlete. So what did he focus on? He didn't focus on starting a perfume line. You know, something that's kind of like supposedly helping athletes with the replenishment.
Something along his lines.
So I thought that was really smart of what he did. But I mean, really savvy on so many levels. Like, don't pay me to make a commercial and endorse it. I want a piece of your company. I think he got 10%. Is that right? Does that sound right to you?
I think he invested like a couple mil or maybe $7 million, and it turned into 300, 400, 500. Yeah, something.
Same thing with LeBron with Beats.
The pizza company, Blaze Pizza, right?
No, Beats the headphones.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Do you know that story?
Yeah, Beats. Yeah, I know about that.
When he was in the Olympics for one of those Olympics in China. The deal was he was going to wear those coming off the plane.
No, that is true. That is true.
So kind of leveraging what you know, right? You know, being an athlete, he knows everybody's. He's always going to be on camera, so like anything he wears becomes kind of a hot thing, right?
Yeah, so leveraging what you know and focus on that. You don't have to do too many things.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's great advice. So awesome. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, man, I feel like I'm in Kobe Bryant's energy right now, man. I can feel it. But hey, we got a lot of great answers, a lot of interesting goals. This is what I want you guys to do, okay? I want you to write down your goals before 2023. Doesn't matter how big, how small, just write them down. And I want you to read it every day. For the last 5 years, I've been writing down my goals. I've been reading it every day. The people that write down their goals, it's a commitment to yourself. It's a contract to yourself. And when you keep reading these goals, you eventually accomplish them. Every goal that I've written down, every year, 90%, 95% of the time, I've accomplished every goal. Some of my goals for 2023 is obviously it starts with the mind, the body, the spirit. I want to be in the best physical shape possible. I want to make sure my mind is right. Always protecting my peace, loving more, giving more, making other people's lives better, bringing value to other people's lives. Because if I'm not happy within, if I'm not doing things for others, it's not fulfilling. I don't feel at peace. In terms of career, I definitely want to keep growing this channel, growing all my socials. But I feel like with my execution, my consistency, it's bound to happen. On my music, I want to continue to grow that. Spotify listeners at barely 10K. I want to know your guys' goals, okay? Write them down, but also put it in the comments below. Let me know your goals for 2023. What I always say is, if you got goals, you shouldn't have to wait till 2023. You should have already been doing it now. We out.
Tell me
no
I'm
hesitation.
someone you want. You tell me I'm something you need. But baby, you know that I'm bad for you, yeah. Why you gotta be so naive? If I treat you like one I don't want, then you know I'm just so hard to please. I lie to your face to get what I want, baby.